When you have the Nostalgia Slushie Machine rolling, the party never ends. With a 1-gallon double-wall mixing chamber, beverages will stay cool for hours. The powerful motor swiftly shaves ice to the ideal consistency, and the Easy Flow spout delivers smooth frozen drinks every time. Lift the mixing chamber from the base and the carry handle and take the party with you. It has a patented stainless steel shave blending cage that delicately shaves drinks into a delectable slushy consistency. Drinks stay cool for hours due to the clear double-wall structure. You can fill your cup with a simple flick of the lever-style handle or pull the spigot up for quick fills. The carrying handle effortlessly rises to lock and secure the lid, making it simple to transport from room to room. Also, the outstanding slushie machine can carry up to 128 ounces. The blending chamber detaches from the base, making cleanup a breeze. So yes, the best slushie maker is extremely easy to clean. When you're all done, the cord neatly coils beneath the slushie machine base for tidy storage. Pros: powerful blending motor, convenient transport handle, makes up to 1 gallon of frozen drinks. And here are the cons: difficult to get the ice to liquid ratio just right.